Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth. Can't believe I flew to
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Tatiyonna back with another video, and today we are going to put some highlights in these bundles without being installed. I'm coloring them for a client. She just kind of want a few highlights here and there, and she wants them to be a dark chocolate cover. So we're going to need the 3 bundles that we're using for her install. She has a closure, and I'll record me doing the install as well. We're going to do 20 developer, like I said, because she doesn't want it that light. She wants them to be just natural color. We need our BW2 bleach. We're going to go ahead and have some hairspray, and I'll show you guys what that is for later. Any kind of hairspray, that's the one that I had in particular. Have your clip, your brush, and like a ragtail comb, so it'll be easier to part the hair, and also have some gloves so you won't get any bleach on your fingers, ladies, and then have some foil so that you can kind of keep it neat. Okay, so, and then also have your bowl to put your product in, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and put 1 scoop inside of the bowl and add the developer in, and then continue watching, and I'll be back.
Straight up. Straight up.
are now done with our bundles. Now it's time to start working on our closure. Spray some hairspray on your closure to get rid of all the flyaways. You want to go ahead and start applying your product, starting at the ends and working your way up to the top. Make sure your product is evenly distributed through the whole thing so that you won't have highlights on one side and not the other. Go ahead and comb through that product because this will give it the most natural highlighted look without creating lines. This is about the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.